This is the first rain we've had in 6 months or more here in Southern California. We don't get much rain in this state, but we have had a ton of forest fires all summer long. Maybe this will put them all out because our San Bernardino Mountains have been on fire for about a month or more. It's really pouring down that hard. The only problem with this kind of hard rain and wind is we may end up with mudslides, because I don't know how many fires we've had over the summer, but it's been a lot. Probably, and it's going to sound like a high number, but I wouldn't be surprised if it's 1,000 or more. Because we are just been constantly having one fire after another, even here where I live. As soon as they put one out, somehow, mysteriously, another fire starts. I don't know how this is happening. It's such a rate, since I've lived here all my life, and we've always been hot here. But look at the rain come down. It's even flooding here where I live a little, and we don't have any forest fires near my home, so it's not looking good for the mountains around us. You can see how it's getting very windy now too. Well, going to give you some more updates on this beautiful rainstorm. I can't believe how much rain we're having. It does make me happy though, because we need it so bad. I can't wait to start planting stuff. Wish I'd put my seeds out yesterday now.